Hi guys, we're going to have a look down by the Presidente, see if that's open. I think it is now. I'll walk down here and see if there's any sign of Jokers that reopening yet. Big nightclub shows on the corner there. Oh, a few tourists about now, not packed by any means. Seems like there's a few more every week though, so that's helping out a bit. I'm sure Boris, when he gets back to doing his job like he's supposed to do, should have been on holiday all the time. Yes, I know, he just got married. Is he not due to break up for his holidays in a couple of weeks? Couldn't wait, huh? Right, let's have a look over, see if it's been cleaned up. No, it's pretty well. I don't think it's going to be open for a while. But yeah, how it was. If we have any news, we'll let you know about Jokers. Seems like they get them open pretty quick once they decide they're going to open. The Presidente. Been there a couple of times. It's a very nice hotel. Got a big room for entertainment in the back. There we go. I believe it's open now, yes sir? You can go in there for breakfast or food. They've usually got a big sign outside for meals and stuff. Maybe they're not doing that at the moment. Maybe they're going to get open for a few weeks first. Oh, it is. Now listen to me guys, it's just here. See if we can do a bit of that. You see that guys? The children's venue as well. There you go. Now they're reopening, you can get along for your drinks and your food. Can you see that alright? Will let me do the menus. I usually forget. There you go. Good selection on there for you. Stop at another hotel, come over, give it a try. Presidente. They have shows on. I think the shows are down under there, are they? Yeah. We are late entertainment again now, so every night apparently. Come and have a look. We made this open to non-residents. It's usually high in Spain. One or two of the all-inclusive hotels won't let you go into their entertainment, but usually if you're buying drinks, it's all good. The outback there. That seems to be open at night. I don't know whether it's still opening up at the moment. I'm not sure. I know it was open after lockdown. We're just going to walk down to the front now, I think. Red line there. Ooh. Got a bar with entertainment. Good area to stop in. Not too far away from anything. A little bit of walk to town, but not that far. Beer garden over the road there. Bar. It's not really open yet. Get your local papers. Oh. So imagine English papers in there. Supermarket there. I'm going to do some videos on hotels in different groups. And then have a look, see how that goes. We'll go over the next couple of days, I think, or maybe a week. I'm struggling a bit at the moment getting out. It's gone pretty warm. I'd see a few more bars opening up there. Trying to get back towards normal. See you guys back now. Come on Boris, when you get back, get us on the green list, let people come on their holidays. Or was that just for Conservatives? We're not going about Boris too much, yeah? he hadn't got a chance, had he, really? Special education and all that. Anyway, we're coming up to the sea now, down to the beach. This is getting more and more packed every day. Look a bit more like Benidorm, isn't it? There we go, that's the view that way. So we'll keep that music off. The view down that way. You see they're all down by the water at the moment. Squares are still out. So we've been told on Monday we'll be doing away with the masks and all restrictions will end. So the curfews will go. We'll have to wait and see, make sure that's right, what we're hearing. I think there's a meeting about it today. So, I know you guys don't know wear a mask, do you? We've just got used to them. Okay, there is a live stream on tonight, Thursday. Me and Mark are going to do one on the football, and then we're going to... I think they got you out of there, Marcus. Yeah, I can sort of see you. And then we're going to do normal live stream we do on Thursday night. Okay guys, we'll see you later on. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you want to see more from Benidorm, watch one coming up in the card. I'm getting out of practice at this. We'll see you on the next one guys. Bye.